Today we are making a spooky witch.
No, Zoe, it's gonna be a nice witch.
Oh, welcome to Sweetwater Cakes. First we're gonna line up our cupcakes so it's kind of like a triangle.
With sweet water.
We don't want our cupcakes to slide, so we're putting a little frosting on the bottom.
Yeah, mini black, purple, and green frosting.
What color is a witch's face?
Green.
Right.
And subscribe for more videos.
And now we're adding the witch's hair.
Purple, my favorite color.
Now using black frosting, we're adding the brim of the witch's hat.
Besides, it's very pointy when you like it. Which is a fun fear. It's Halloween tonight. Which is a fun fear. It's Halloween tonight. Bats in the trees. Ghosts make you freeze. Lizard eyes, lizard eyes.
And now we're decorating the hat with a little green ribbon and little stars all over.
Besides the green stars.
And now it's time for the face. We're going to start with 2 big eyes and a crooked nose with a little wart on it. This witch here is smiling with a little side smile, and she does have a little mole. Now it's time for the eyebrows.
Don't forget the eyelashes.
Yes, the eyelashes are so important.
And the green cheeks. And the witch is all done.
Tell me everything you know about witches.
They find a broomstick and they laugh like this. That's all.
What else do you know about witches?
I don't know.
Do they have any animals?
Cats.
What color are the cats?
Black, 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 black.